In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a Smith machine barbell deadlift. This is a great exercise that activates the glutes and also the hamstrings. Now the first thing you need is obviously a Smith machine. Now, one of the reasons I really like doing this exercise because this is a great beginner's exercise that really focuses on form and technique, okay? So, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and stand in front of the bar, all right? You want to be pretty close to it, all right? You want to have your feet about shoulder distance apart, also your hands about shoulder distance apart as well. Now when it comes to the starting position, roll the shoulders back, keep a strong chest, push the butt out, slight bend in the knees, okay? Now this is why I'm going to show you why I really like this exercise. Step back just a tiny bit, all right? Is because when I'm going down, as you can see, I'm keeping my back nice and straight, okay? And the only thing I'm doing is really hinging at the hips, all right? This is how you're going to really activate the proper muscles to really do the exercise correctly. You're going to get more hamstring engagement, also more glute engagement by hinging more at the hips. Don't bend the back. You don't want to bend at the back and pull up like that because you're causing a lot of restriction or resistance into the lower back. So with this machine, since it's fixed, it doesn't allow me, it really doesn't allow me to really curve the back so much. It really forces me to push the hips out because if I'm in the wrong position, like if I'm standing away from it, it's easy to do something like that. But if you're standing real close to it, it's like, how can I bend over if the bar is in the way? You know what I'm saying? The bar is being used as a point of reference. So it's really pushing those hips out. So as you can see, this is why I really like using this exercise, especially for beginners that has bad form trying to perform the deadlift, okay? So this is a great beginner's exercise to really practice your form, okay? And especially if you're trying to increase weight and try and have good form as well, this is also a great exercise to help you progress into the free barbell deadlift as well. This is how you do a Smith machine barbell deadlift.